welcome back. Today we're making some really fun, really cute hot chocolate bombs. They'll be perfect for the winter season and I can't wait to try them. So, let's get baking. To start out, we're going to use 12 ounces of candy melts and we'll microwave this for 30-second intervals and stir every 30 seconds until fully melted. If you're using white chocolate and you want a smooth consistency, you might need to add oil. Now we're using a silicone mold to make the shapes for our hot chocolate bombs. I would suggest getting something much bigger. This was the only thing we could find in our area, but we made it work. But I would suggest something much larger to hold more powder. But we will freeze this until firm, and that'll only take about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to fill them with hot chocolate powder and marshmallows, and you can also put some crushed candy cane in them too. And then we're going to seal them with chocolate around the edges. And then you'll just drop it in a hot mug of milk and serve. So here's the final product. We have a bunch of chocolate and white chocolate hot cocoa bombs, and we put one in this hot milk. I added more marshmallows because you couldn't fit a lot inside of the bomb. So let's try some. It tastes like hot chocolate. It's really good. They're really fun and cute to make, and everyone will be jealous of you when you post it online. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays! Eliza, don't look in the chocolate. Ben, you disgust me. Stop.
This is gonna be hard, isn't it? You're struggling. I can tell.
How dare you? This will be too. I hate that they have an uneven amount of the frickin' squares. You're acting like a lunatic.
I am a lunatic.
You're scaling me.
I eat too much in it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh.
What?
It's 5. I'm angry.
Oh, take it away. You're not doing this right. You suck at this. Oh gosh. Wait, what's the other side look like? Oh.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Welcome back. Today.
What the?
Boy.